Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar currently holds steady since rebounding from the monthly lows around 61 cents, while the US dollar continues to remain flat around the November highs of 2022 at 109.30. Besides the US CPI data that awaits today, the Australian labour market data also takes the centre stage on Thursday, with the employment rate expected to rise from 3.9 to 4%. This could add some impact in the market and therefore could influence expectations around the RBA, with much talk of a cut in February. Investors are also bracing for December's Consumer Price Index, or the CPI data, which could offer insights into the Federal Reserve's interest rate trajectory in the coming months. Much is riding on the CPI data due Wednesday, with the forecast pointing to a modest 0.2% rise in the core measure. Meanwhile, the wholesale inflation eased slightly in December, with the PPI rising by 0.2% month on month and down from 0.4% in November and 3.3% annually. So with the technicals, we can see the market has firmed up slightly, but we still need to see the close above 62.10. This should ignite and move on towards 62.60 and to 63 cents and reassess, with support seen around 61 to around 61.5. Since the posted hammer, euro still maintains somewhat a bullish bias and therefore could see a move on towards the region of 103.60. I like the way this pattern has shaped up, and with the bullish divergence does encourage a further round of demand, and let's see if the market can rally on. The dollar yen buckling since the outside range day, it still maintains a target that is towards the region of 156.70-75. A break there would give further scope towards the region of 154. Turning to sterling, since the posted Dragonfly Doji, the market is still somewhat bullish, and I still anticipate a further rally that could see him move on towards 123 to 123.5 and reassess. In light of how the market's structured, though, I would like to see these indicators pick up a little bit more to support this Dragonfly Doji. Gold is also holding to its gains and since the rebound, and now looks on towards the region, I feel, of 2,700 and reassess from there. The market actually may even extend further. There has been much talk in the market that we could see a target of $3,000 an ounce for 2025, so still keep that in mind. And wrapping up with oil, well, there is a bit of bearish divergence here, an overheated ADX, so I feel the topside target around 77 to around 78 has been reached. And looking from back in September in 2024, there was a huge downturn, which could again be repeated. So do be on your guard, just in case we see this similar pattern follow on. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. And as always, look out for intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.